Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where iOS stores blocked contacts. Open Settings, then tap Phone. Once done, select Call Blocking and Identification. You'll see numbers and contacts listed. Make sure you're on the right Apple ID if you use multiple accounts, because blocked contacts sync per account. If a number isn't obvious, note its format. Country codes or spacing can hide duplicates. This step reveals what's blocked and prepares you to act. Either unblock or inspect details. Now inspect each entry to learn why it was blocked. Look for contact names, full numbers, and country codes. You can swipe left on an individual entry to reveal unblock, or tap Edit to manage several at once. Use this when reviewing a batch. Also check Messages and FaceTime settings, because iOS keeps separate block lists there. Once you unblock, calls and messages resume. Make sure you understand whether blocking came from a contact or from an app, since apps may reapply filters. Finish by unblocking any number you want back. After that, test with a call or text to confirm the change took effect. If the number still can't reach you, restart your iPhone to clear temporary caches. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus modes are off. If problems persist, inspect call blocking apps and carrier-level block lists, because carriers can block numbers outside iOS. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off, to refresh network services before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.